the Victorinox Ranger. The Ranger Red. It's so solid. Oh, this is really amazing. It looks really interesting. A lot of interesting tools here. Corkscrew. It says there Victorinox Swiss made stainless, and on the other side Officer Swiss blade. Yeah, it's a bit oily. Okay, I close them. Solid. There is the file and saw actually. There is a metal saw. Victorinox Ranger metal saw and file. Really solid. Okay. Oh wow. Here, flathead screwdriver. Pretty solid tool. The can opener and the screwdriver here also. Use this as a flathead screwdriver or a Phillips. There's a nice chisel and some other kind of screwdriver tool. Famous parcel hook. The famous parcel hook. Throw in a magnet in there. Perfect fit. Oh, and the owl. This one sharp. Situations. The toothpick. Every day. And the tweezers. Smells pretty good actually. Saw. There is also the saw.